is charted communications, and it's having a rounding pattern. Momentum is rising, trend indicator is also rising. It's consolidation breakout and decent risk reward. Good volumes are also there, right? Yeah. So the second stock pick is it's JK Cements. It's a cement sector stock, and it's a rounding pattern, cup and handle breakout, small consolidation, and breakout from that consolidation is what you see. The volumes are very nice. Momentum RSI is indicating about 60, and trend is also 60, so it's beautiful pick. And the third stock pick is Bajaj Finserv. It's a rounding pattern. There is a inverter head and shoulder breakout that has happened, and then consolidation breakout. It's all confused of that. It's reasonable risk reward, good volumes, momentum, and trend indicators are showing bullishness. Right. So yeah. So you can see the trend indicator clearly rising up towards that, and then momentum is also beautiful. Yeah. The last topic is Coforge. It's an IT company. It's a rounding pattern. It's cup and handle breakout has already happened. There's no risk reward of 1:2 can be seen here. Volumes are also above the moving average. RSI momentum indicator trend is also